Today, we're diving into 5 incredible gadgets that are going to make your adventures safer, more fun, and way more exciting. Let's jump in. First up, the Prime Adventure Hiking Tactical Stick Walking Staff. This is no ordinary walking stick. It's built from machined aluminum alloy, and it's tough enough to handle anything Mother Nature throws at it. Not only does it give you the extra support you need on trails, but it also packs in some serious survival tools. Fire starter? Check. Emergency whistle? Got it. Glass breaker? It's like carrying a secret weapon that keeps you steady while making sure you're always prepared. Next is the upgraded outdoor Bluetooth speaker with LED lights. This thing doesn't just play music, it turns your campsite into a party. With full 360-degree sound, you're getting crystal clear audio from every angle. And the best part? It's waterproof, so a little rain, splashes, or even an accidental drop in the lake won't ruin your vibe. Plus, those LED lights pulse to the beat of your music, making it feel like a festival in the middle of the wilderness. Next, the Camping Shovel Axe Outdoor Survival Shovel Set. This isn't just a shovel, it's a 28-in-1 beast of a tool. Need to dig a fire pit? Done. Chop some wood? Easy. Tighten a bolt? Slice through something tough? Cut a rope? No problem. This thing is made from high-strength carbon steel, and it packs down small enough to fit in your gear without taking up too much space. Next, the multi-tool camping accessories set. It's got 13 tools packed into one sleek, easy-to-carry device. Knife? Check. Pliers? Got 'em. Screwdriver? Bottle opener? Wire cutter? It's all in there. And since it's made from high-quality stainless steel, you know it's going to last. Keep it in your pocket, clip it to your belt, and you'll never be caught unprepared again. And finally, the Garmin HRM Pro Plus. Whether you're hiking, running, or biking up a mountain, this heart rate monitor gives you the real-time stats you need to keep going strong. It's not just tracking your heart rate, it's giving you advanced performance analytics that help you understand your endurance, running efficiency, and overall fitness levels. It syncs up with all your favorite fitness apps and smartwatches. And there you have it, 5 outdoor gadgets that are going to change the way you experience adventure. Whether you need stability, music, survival tools, a trusty multi-tool, or high-tech fitness tracking, these products have you covered. Adventure is calling. Are you ready? See the description for links to the featured products. Thanks for watching.